I received a letter from a gentleman in Prince George the other day asking just how can he go about insulating the inside of his garage door to make it warm and cozy during the winter months when he's working on his hobbies and crafts. In fact, he was telling me that the inside of his door gets so cold that frost forms in the wintertime. Well, that's the relative humidity as he works out there and the moisture starts to generate along with the heat. Then it goes to the door, that's the coldest surface, and being cold, it forms frost. Well, let's insulate it by using a product called Reflectex. And what this product will do is reflect the heat back to him, just like a toaster when it's toasting up the toast in the morning. Very easy to install. In fact, I'm using a double-sided tape, which comes as an accessory to the Reflectex. You can see it there. It's very gummy material. And you just put it on the back of the door and then roll the Reflectex into it. You can see I got some of the tape already installed here, which will make it a little faster. But very basic tools required. A utility knife and a tape measure. And then once the product is all installed, then we'll use the aluminum foil tape, and this will go down the seams to give it a real nice tight seal to the face of the door. So let's get started at it and show you this how easy it is. Well, let's pull the backing of the two-phase tape off now, exposing the sticky face to adhere the Reflectex product into. It's that sticky that it even sticks to a moist finger. Okay, here goes for the first piece into position. Up nice and tight to the top. We'll come back and trim around the braces afterwards. There, we'll just cut around the hinge points here so it lays nice and flat against the face of the door. And we'll be ready to proceed with the second piece. And there we have the first piece installed. And being an 18-foot door, we got 6 rows of Reflectex to put in place. There we have it all installed. All we have to do now is apply the seaming tape to the seams. The seaming tape now gives the same properties to the seam as you have over the entire face of the Reflectex, that reflective quality to reflect those warm, radiant heat waves back into the area where you're working. That didn't take long at all, did it? Well, now we've got 2 features. We've got one feature being warm in the wintertime, but also cool in the summertime, because that radiant heat, as it's beating down on the south exposure, is being reflected back to the outside. But in the wintertime, your heat is being reflected back into your hobby and craft shop. That way you're nice and warm and cozy. Well, there you have it in Prince George. I hope that helps you out.